The big question, what if the US inflation is actually cooling? Nifty closed modestly higher in yesterday's trade. It's worth noting that the benchmark Nifty moved up and, most importantly, ringed a strong session without any substantial positive catalyst. Our call of the day suggests a little bit of good news could send Nifty even higher. Looking ahead, all eyes will be on this Thursday's release of the January Personal Consumption and Expenditures (PCE) index, the Fed's preferred measure of inflation that tracks consumer spending. Honestly speaking, the key PCE inflation data could suggest the narrative of when and by how much the Federal Reserve could cut interest rates this year. Long story short, all in all, we still suspect the prevailing trend for inflation is lower. So, any uptick here and there does not really change things. Hopefully, short covering and FOMO could propel Nifty higher towards 22,500 mark. But for the day, consolidation shall be the preferred theme. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's session, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of Rs 1509 crores. DIIs however bought to the tune of Rs 2862 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Sentiment is likely to be risky. Nifty's technical suggesting massive consolidation on daily charts. Fano data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 22,500 zone. India VIX has spiked towards 15.72 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th February, is at 0.90. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th February, is at 0.78. Nifty outlook, and a pan-down session is likely. Nifty CMP to 2198. Support 22,000 to 21,800. Resistance 22,300 to 22,400. Range 22,000 to 22,400. Bias sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty CMP 46588. Support 46,300 to 45,900. Resistance 46,900 to 47,200. Range 46,300 to 46,900. Bias sideways to bullish. Vodafone Idea plans to raise about 45,000 crore rupees via equity and debt promoters to participate. The company said it will call for a meeting of its shareholders on 2nd April 2024 and expects to complete Rs 20,000 crore equity fund raise in the coming quarter. Volatility is likely to be hallmark of this week's trading amidst monthly expiry of February Fando contracts scheduled on 29th February. US economic growth numbers for the fourth quarter ended December 2023 to trickle on 28th February. All eyes on the India's GDP numbers for the quarter ended December 2023 due on 29th February. Investors will be keeping a close eye on the auto sales data for February, which will be announced on Friday, 1st March.